Really good solution, and I want to introduce it to you. So we are working with FDA grade materials, and they are USP Class 6 tested. Our product is really comfortable, it's easy to clean, it's easy to maintain. We have replaceable parts, and we have a really unique patented design that reduces friction almost completely, and we are eliminating medicinal contamination. We're also really affordable. That product sells in consumer price for about $15 US. So we have great traction from our online community, and we have been endorsed by Canatech, Nike. Thank you very much for that. That was last year. And we have, if anybody here from Northern California know the Patrick from the Soil King. And last week we got the original cones to endorse us. And that means that we are basically co-branding, and we are manufacturing customized grinders for cones and for the Soil King. So we are doing co-branding, and we are partnering with leading cannabis brands that are seeking to promote safe cannabis administration with us. So far we have been funded by private angel, among them Solkai. And we are now looking to round the funding, and we will be happy to talk with anybody that's interested to talk about grinders. Okay, that was my pitch. Thank you.
Well done. Judges?
He does. Come back out for the questions.
Yes, back up onto the stage for questions from the judges. He's being led the other way. Where is he being led? Now he's being led the correct way. Okay. Welcome back to the stage, MJ Grinder, to answer some questions. First question.
Hi. Can you better explain what makes your grinder better than our other
Sure.
grinders out there?
Does the slide work? Can we get back the slides? Is it no?
Hold, please. Sure. Let's give it up for the judges one more time, I think. Yeah. Yes. So far, doing a great job.
Okay, so until we're getting the slides
There it is.
Cool. So what I'm going to point out is that our patented technology is that buffering ring that is basically functions as a ball bearing, and it is reducing the friction between those two parts. So normally in grinders, the friction degrades the product and mixes it into the cannabis. So either it could be aluminum, or it could be plastic, it could be paint. Worst case scenarios, it could be zinc or chromium, and those are not such a good additive when you're ill.
Next question, if any.
Okay. David Prescott. You mentioned the problem that grinders typically get neglected. Right? You used the word neglected in that area.
Well, everybody in the cannabis industry right now is looking forward on the future for safe cannabis administration, mostly with oil, with tinctures, orally. And grinders are right here, and we're stumbling upon them in the industry, so yeah. And we believe that flowers are forever. They're not going to fade away.
I agree. I'm going to ask again specifically just on the, and I love grinders, so thank you.
Thank you.
For looking out for us. You mentioned though that you would be eliminating contamination as one of the values.
Yeah.
Can you just elaborate a little bit more on that? Eliminating?
All right. So typically with the grinders, what happens is that you have some trichomes that are building up on the bottom part and on the top part where the friction is being created. And over time, the raw material of the product is going to degrade and contaminate the medicine. So with our product, what we did, we have that ring that basically absorbs all the friction. And if any kind of degrade happens, it only happens to the ring and not to the grinder parts. And if that is going to happen, it's going to be locked between the ring and the top part. So the medicine will always stay detached from any kind of contamination.
Okay.
It's almost sterile.
We are out of time, David, unless you have a quick final question.
Probably a quick question, but a long answer.
So fair enough. Thank you so much, Edmund Grinder.
I think I have to
Okay.